So in, I don't even remember the way this is. This is 5.1, number 18. So we're reviewing for our final, and this is a question that a student brought up, and I will show you how to do this problem. And so the directions for this are always going to be like, solve the following inequality and then graph the solution on the number line. So this is a really good question. So the very first thing is I'm going to remind you that whenever you are solving an inequality, it's the exact same thing as solving an equation, except for when you multiply or divide by negative. If you're not doing any of those things, you treat it exactly like an equation. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is copy this equation over here, turn that alarm off. So we get 3x minus 7 is greater than or equal to, and I'm going to distribute at the same time. So 2x minus 14. Don't forget to multiply by 2 by both of those terms on the inside, so that you can get those in. Okay, and then from here, all you're going to do is start solving. So I like when my x's are on the same side, so I'm subtracting 2x from both sides. And then at the same time, I'm going to add 7 to get everybody away from x. And you can do that at the same time because subtracting and adding are at the same level in PEMDAS. So what's left is x. This is 0. This is 0. And this is negative 7. Now, the only time that it matters that it's an inequality is when you multiply or divide by negative. Because we didn't multiply or divide, then I keep my symbol. This guy stays exactly the same. I copy him. Okay, and this says, some people say x is greater than or equal to negative 7. I would like you to think about this as every number that's greater than or equal to negative 7. So the easiest way to graph this is you go to negative 7. So it's like somewhere there, maybe closer. And then I close my dot because this is greater than or equal to, right? And then where are the numbers that are greater than negative 7? They're all this way. And to check my answer, I'm going to pick some random number. My favorite number is 0, and plug it into the original equation and see if it works. So this says 0 minus 7 is negative 7. Is that greater than 2 times negative 7? Because that's 0, right? 0 minus 7 is negative 7. So is negative 7 greater than negative 14? And this might be confusing because some people are like, I don't know, Ms. Johnson. So the way I say this is, what would you rather do? Would you rather owe me $7 or owe me $14? And you say, owe me $7. So that means that this side is greater. And that's what it says. It's greater than negative 14. Okay. So I know that this is right. I'm really happy, Ms. Johnson. I'm not going to lose any points on this one because look, I checked my answers. I graphed my answers. I know why everything is. The biggest thing that I'm going to remind you is for inequalities, you treat them like equations. So except when you multiply or divide by a negative. Okay. All right. That's all I had to share. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.